Welcome back to my channel. Big Juxie is back in the building. How are you guys doing? It's great to be back. So today's video, you remember a couple videos ago I told you guys I was gonna do an unboxing of a particular handbag that I purchased in Spain. Yes, this video is going to be about just that. It's gonna be an unboxing video where I show you guys exactly what I purchased when I was in Spain. This designer item, it's something that I had liked. I purchased it. It wasn't the item that I had set out to purchase initially when I had gone there. However, I was browsing, I liked the item. It was okay, so it was something that I could fit into my wardrobe. It's not a large handbag, it's not a fancy handbag per se, it's just a nice little casual wear handbag that's every day on the go. So before I show you just that, you guys remember to go ahead, comment, like, subscribe, thumbs up this video if you want to see more content from me. So without further ado, well, before I even show you the handbag that I purchased, I want to go ahead and show you an item, but it's one of my staple pieces. It's one of my must-haves. It's the only perfume that I have to have in my collection. It's the only, well, not a collection because I really don't have a collection. I probably just have maybe 3. I just probably wear, well, I do wear like around 3 perfumes for the year. I'm just not that individual that has 8, 9, 10 perfumes, you know. No, can't afford it, number one. And it's not too many scents out there that I like. So I've just narrowed my perfume selection down to 3 perfumes that I wear throughout the year. I don't do fall perfumes versus summer perfumes. I just do perfume because guess what? That's what my pocket told me to do. So with that being said, I'll go and show you the perfume that I purchased. It's my staple perfume. It's the only perfume that I have to have all the time, even if it's one. That's the perfume you're gonna see me have on. And so with that being said, I'll go ahead and show you right now. So this is the perfume. It's called the Maison Francis Coeur de Lion. It's called the Baccarat Rouge 540. And I know you guys know this perfume. It's getting pretty much out there now. A lot of people know about this perfume. And so, yeah, perfume. So I'll just quickly show you guys what it is. Or rather, what it looks like. So it comes in this white box here, and I'll just open up here, open up, open up, open up, open up, and we'll just pull it out. I wish I had a table to show you guys. Oh, no, it's not pulling. Oh, yeah. So I'm pulling it out. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, la, la. And you open it like so, or maybe not. Hold on. Yep. Almost broke. And this is what it looks like, my friend. This small bottle in this big old box. And this is what it looks like. Once again, I did mention that it is called the Maison Francis Coeur de Lion Baccarat 540 Rouge, or Rouge 540, and this size is the 2.4 fluid ounce. This is it right here. So yes, up here, I'm not gonna go into pricing on this item here. You can find it at, just look it up. The stores will come up as to where it's being sold. Once again, the Baccarat Rouge 540, and this is the perfume. What scent? I can't even describe the scent, guys. It's a little bit musky. It's a little bit musky, but it's soft. It has some soft notes. It tries to be hard, but then it's like, you know what? I'ma just fall back, fall back, fall back. So that's the scent. I'm not good at describing scents, guys, so pick yourself one up, or you could just go to the stores where it's being sold and smell it for yourself. So let's get right into the bag. So the bag that I purchased was from this store. Gucci, 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 ooh, ooh. And once again, as I had mentioned, it's nothing, it's not a fancy bag. It's just something you can wear casually, okay? So yeah, let's go right into the unboxing. So it comes into this little black and white box here. I know, like, okay, we know like what the Gucci, what it comes in and everything. Okay, so comes into this dust bag. Comes into this little dust bag here. Drawstring at top. What else did I get with it here? Okay, so this is just the little envelope where they'll put your receipt and everything in. Guys, I won't go into details as to how much this bag costs. You guys can Google it yourself. This is just the receipt to show that yes, it was purchased from the Gucci store. And yes, put back your receipt. So let's get into the unboxing, guys. Are you excited? Are you ready for this? Dun, dun, dun. Hey! So yes, this is the bag that I purchased. Ta-da! Yes! This is the bag that I purchased, guys. So it is called the Gucci. What is it called again? Is it Marmont? No, this is not the Marmont, is it? All right, so this is the color here. It's more like a nudish color. It has a tassel and it can be worn cross-bodied on the shoulder. It has the classic GG on there, Gucci logo, and yeah, it has gold zipper lining. The top of the tassel has some gold on there, and yeah, it's real nice, soft leather. And let me see if there's any way the name of the item here, the name of the bag actually is on here. Maybe not. I'm sorry guys, I wasn't prepared for this. I wasn't ready. Nope. Okay, it's not on there. Okay. Let me see if it's on my phone. I think it's called the Marmont. Is it called the Marmont? The Gucci Marmont. No, it's not the Marmont, guys. I'm sorry. It's the Disco Soho Pequeño de Peel. Okay, it's the disco bag. That is that. It's the disco bag. And yeah, I'm not gonna go into the pricing of this bag because I'm sure you guys can find the item online. You guys can look it up in stores. You know, it's out there for everybody, so I don't need to go into those details. But it's cute. I can rock it. It's alright, you know. So this is the bag, guys, and yeah, that's it for now, guys. So if you want to see more videos, let me know. Let me know what content you guys want to see, and I will bring them to the nearest phone screen, computer screen, laptop screen, anything, any type of screen. I will bring the content to you. So with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in. Continue to watch my videos, subscribe if you are not, and I do appreciate the love. So with that being said, see you next time. Bye.